Hi friends, welcome to my channel Cook with Khuram. This is Sana. Today's recipe is a very simple, nutritious and delicious breakfast, cheesy veggie bread omelette. This one pan toast would turn out to be a super cozy food when you sometimes feel sluggish in the morning to prepare a complex and an elaborate breakfast. And I'm pretty much sure your kids will love this. Friends, if you like my video and my recipe, please hit a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon to get the notifications of my new uploads. And please share this recipe with your loved ones. Come, let's get on to the recipe. For making the cheesy veggie bread omelette, I have taken sandwich bread slices, eggs 5 numbers, cheese slices, boiled peas 1/3 cup, boiled sweet corn 1/3 cup, finely chopped capsicum 1/3 cup, finely chopped onion 1/3 cup, finely chopped coriander leaves 1/3 cup, chopped green chillies 2 numbers, about 1/8 cup I have taken, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, salt the required amount, and pepper powder, oil. Now these are the ingredients. Now take a bread slice and make slits at the sides this way, just like how I am doing. Leave about 1/2 inch gap at the sides and cut it so that the frame doesn't become too thin, because if the frame is too thin then it will get broken. Remove the cut portion and keep it aside, and keep the frame also aside. Now the slices and the frames are ready. Keep them aside. Take a bowl and add 5 eggs. Beat well with a wired whisk. Beat it thoroughly. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, boiled peas 1/3 cup, boiled sweet corn 1/3 cup, 1/3 cup of chopped capsicum, followed by 2 chopped green chillies and 1/3 cup of chopped onion and 1/3 cup of chopped coriander leaves, and salt 1/2 teaspoon, and some pepper powder. Don't add too much of pepper powder because we've already added green chillies. Mix thoroughly. Now the egg mixture is ready. Keep it aside. Now take a pan and add 1/2 teaspoon of oil. Brush the pan. Simmer the stove and place the bread frame over it. And pour the egg mixture within the frame and cook over a slow flame. Place a cheese slice over it and cover it with the cut portion of the bread slice and press it gently with a spatula. Press it very gently and cook over a slow flame. Brush some oil on top of it and flip it to the other side and cook for about 1 minute over a slow flame. Now brush some more oil over it and flip it to the other side and cook until it gets light brown in color. You can even add other vegetables like carrot, beans or any other veggies of your choice. Now a cheesy veggie bread omelette is ready to be served. Serve hot. You can see the color of it, which shows it has been cooked perfectly. Now let's start binging it. The slow cooking process has made the cheese melt amazingly, and the egg mixture has been cooked to perfection, which makes it a yummylicious and nutritious delicacy. Thanks a lot for watching my video. With lots of love, Sanakhuram. Please subscribe to my channel.